Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Today I'll talk about how to be confident, which is very important thing in English, because when you are confident you can talk very easily, and when you are unconfident about your your speaking skills, then you make lot of mistakes, as well as you think a lot a lot of things, which is very bad thing. When you speak, your ambition should be speaking, not to think other things. And speaking is a major skill that has connection with confidence. Confidence is important because we know the value of confidence. It comes when you talk. When you speak, it will automatically gained by you. Yes, and I would suggest you speak English to gain confidence, and practice a lot. Practice makes perfect. Practicing English is the only way to make your English good and fluent. You can practice with anyone, anywhere, and uh, you can even practice on social media. Like you are watching a video about something, and you can comment on that video, that how was your experience while watching that video, and that will also help you improve your English in writing and spelling, in a lot of other things. And now we are talking about the confidence, how to gain confidence. um, as I said you, that practice is the only way. So there are other tips which you can use, but I don't think that tips will work for you, because they did not work for me. When I was speaking, I studied speaking English. I thought that how would I do that? But then I realized that it is not important to think about the things. I just want to talk. I would just want to speak and deliver my speech to other person. So it was important to speak, not to think about the things that will happen or not. You have no idea whether that things will happen or not. You have no idea. So please don't think about anything why when you speak a language. And why to think about other things when you know that you have to speak what is in your mind? When you know that what to speak, then why to think other things that makes you unconfident? And practice a lot. With the practice, you will be fine in a very soon. So that was the message I wanted to give you. I hope you will follow it and improve your fluency and speaking skills. Thank you for watching this video.